Hey everybody, Real Estate Ninja here. I hope you're doing well. Gold is rising in price, and I believe it's going to rise much higher. And real estate is falling in price. We're going to talk about this. This is the average sales price of a home from the year 2019, 2018 till now. And as you can see, no matter what Dave Ramsey says, lying to people that it's going up in price right now, and I'm not joking, it's actually falling off of a cliff. And what's really exciting about this is I'm going to be doing on the main channel on the Economic Ninja tomorrow a video review of what Dave Ramsey just came out with, being so brazen and so crazy, and it's got to be called out. And I'm going to show you how he makes his money. And it is absolutely mind-blowing insane because why? Dave Ramsey loathes gold. He hates it. He can't stand it. And everybody that listened to him and didn't buy gold lost out. And you're going to see this transition from gold going up and real estate going down, just like what happened in 2008 to 2010. And there's going to be a lot of purchasing power available to you if you did that. Okay. So it's not financial advice. It's what I did. And I'm going based off of historical trends of gold to real estate cycles and ratios. So let's dive in first to the gold story. Real quick, do me a favor, type 1 if you own gold. I'm just curious to see how many people have owned it. It says, this is out of CNBC. There's two stories about this. Gold climbs as investors look ahead to key U.S. inflation data. Now, the one thing that's always disappointing is that the Federal Reserve can't get on top of it. Why? Because they're not raising rates high enough, fast enough. I know it sounds crazy. Rates are high and they've made everything expensive, but it's not done with a powerful enough punch to knock out the investor, the consumer, right? Remember, the Federal Reserve, their job is to cause you to lose your job without anybody knowing it was their fault. They want to slowly squeeze the company you work for, slowly squeeze the consumer to where it busts, and they go, oh, we didn't see that coming. They do it every single time they raise rates, and they raise rates incrementally. Now, this time was faster, and higher. It was high and fast, but it wasn't enough to meet the demand of what true inflation is, right? Because the government keeps lying about inflation numbers. So it says here, gold prices gained on Wednesday, and right now we're sitting at what, $2,010 an ounce for an ounce of gold as of the recording of this video. Wednesday, as investors waited inflation data that could further light on the Federal Reserve's policy path. Why? Because they're thinking, a lot of people think that inflation is going down. I'm telling you right now, I do not think that's the case. So that means the Fed's going to have to keep rates higher for longer. But gold traders are going, hey, we know they're going to lower rates sooner than later, and eventually they're going to. And at that point, gold's going to go crazy. It'll go ballistic. That's what gold does when rates go low, right? But for now, they're really jumping the gun, I think. Now it says, on investors' radar is the U.S. Core Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, or PCE, data for February, due on Friday. The index rose 0.3% in January. Says we'll have to see whether or not U.S. inflation here domestically is soft enough to provide this clear path to lower rates. That's what blows me away. They just think that the Federal Reserve just lowers rates for the heck of it. They don't. They only lower rates when things are bad, or they need to add a little bit of political pressure. There's too much political pressure, and they want one person over another in that seat president. And so they make it look like everything's good for just a little bit. They lower rates about 75 to 100 basis points. And then after you vote for someone they want, guess what? We're spiking rates again. They've done that 4 times since 1972. So gold is going up, right? And that story is based off of the whole inflation story. But this one out of Forex Empire, and then we're going to get to real estate prices. This is entitled Gold Price Forecast is Bullish. Reversal signals potential upside breakout. It says gold triggers a bullish reversal today as it breaks out from the inside day established on Monday on a rise above 2181. A daily close above that high is needed next to confirm the reversal. The reversal is a bullish continuation from the minor retracement low of 2157. Right now we're trading at what, $2,210, something like that. I probably put it earlier in the video. It says here, it follows rally from a bullish wedge breakout that occurred last Wednesday. This is all technical analysis stuff, right? So some upside targets that they talk about. Price behavior following the bullish wedge has not been as strong as it might be as upward momentum ended after less than 2 days. Nevertheless, strengths start to return as noted above upon a daily close above 2181. We're well above that now, right? By what, 30 bucks? It says here, Fibonacci levels identify a similar price area. The first is from 2235 to 2246, and the second is from 2277 to 2298. If we hit 2300 bucks, some people are going to lose their minds. Now, let's talk about real estate prices. Right now, the median sale price and the average sale price is dropped. This is the median sale price, and that throws me away. I mean, we're taking a certain percentage of this group of prices and then a certain percentage of this group of prices and putting, give me the average price. This is the average price. Federal Reserve data, average price of sale price of homes is dropping like a rock as well. Now you can see this little spike and everybody was all excited, and there's going to be some more spikes on the way down, and that's because of people diving in to a very small segment of real estate purchases, which are like, the lowest price homes. And these are people that have been on the sidelines, and rates drop a little bit, half a point, and they're a half percentage point, and they're like, oh my gosh, I got to buy now. I'm never going to be able to buy. Small time, short time thinkers. This exact same thing happened to home prices back in 2006, 2008. So you are now at a moment where you are seeing gold go up, real estate go down. And this data has been going on for about a year and a half. The median and average price of homes dropping for like a year and a half. And it's insane. Like, I watched Dave Ramsey go the other day. He goes, you're all wrong. I'm right. We're at an all-time high. I'm like, and he won't share. What's blowing me away, it's almost like sorcery now. Straightforward lying. He's not showing charts. Just like he's saying, I told you Bitcoin's a scam. Now we know it's a scam. And that's all. And then see ya. And you're all going to lose your money. He's afraid of people not doing what he wants, and that's using his real estate agents. That's how he makes $1 billion a year, just so you know. And I know that the team's watching the video right now. I actually know that for a fact. So my point being is this. He wants you to use his trusted agents, and he wants to be the ultimate cheerleader. Buy and sell real estate. It's never going to go down. And he was wrong in the .com era. He was wrong in the Great Recession era. And he's wrong now. And what's even crazier is how many people actually follow him. He hates gold. Gold's going up. He says, buy real estate. It's never going down. It's never really went down. Bye. Use my agents so I make money. And it's actually going down. There you go, Dave. Average sale price of a home. That's from 2019. Look at that rise. Yep. Hey, that's really exciting. This is what I care about, the downturn. Why? Because you make more money during a downturn than when everyone's making money going up. Hope you guys got something out of this. Real Estate Ninja is out.